Hello and welcome to a District 228 Tech tutorial. Today we're going to be talking about using the Breakout Rooms feature in Google Meet. Before I show you how to actually use the feature, I just want to give you a quick note that whoever is first in the waiting room, not even in the Google Meet call, when you are about to start your Google Meet, they will have this ability to manage and run the breakout rooms. So if you have a co-teacher, a parapro, or someone else who is in your class that is a staff member, they will have control over this. So if you don't see it, don't freak out about it. Work with them on getting the breakout room features up and running. But for future reference, you will need to be the first person in that waiting room in order to use these features. So you select the Activities button up here. It's the multiple shapes. Breakout rooms is your first option. The first time that you're running it, you'll see this little Setup Breakout Rooms pencil. This is for each Google Meet that you're running it in. So you'll have to do it for your third hour, your fourth hour, etc. if you're setting this up for multiple periods that day. You can set up the breakout rooms. You have 4 buttons over here. One has the number of breakout rooms. This, when you click on it, the timer feature, will end the breakout room after a set amount of time. Your shuffle button just randomly moves people in between rooms. And clear puts everyone back in the main call. So you can either drag and drop participants into particular breakout rooms. If you know, for example, that a student is going to need some additional help, you're working with students a little bit asynchronously and you want to make sure that some students are receiving help from a co-teacher, however you want to use this breakout feature. You can drag and drop your particular students there and open the rooms when you're ready. When you open the room, on the student side, they will see a pop-up that says you've been invited to join the breakout room. You can return to the main call at any time, and they have to press join before they will go to that breakout room. So once they press join, you'll see that they are in that breakout room now. You can press join to see that room, check in on those students, make sure that they're doing okay, pop between the 2 different breakout rooms to make sure that all of your students are getting the support that they need. You can always go back and edit rooms if you discover later that one of the students is doing really well. You want to make sure that they can go back to the main call. You can drag and drop them back to the main call. Save that. And your last option is to close the rooms. Once you press close rooms, you'll get this pop-up. 30 seconds, all students get this red banner notifying them that they are about to end. They can tap to return to the main call before that time end. Otherwise, it automatically puts them back in the room at the end of that time. So if you want to practice this, you need any assistance using breakout rooms, go ahead and contact a librarian for help at your buildings. We're more than happy to assist you with this. Thank you and have a great day.